Welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to look at Nifty weekly analysis. So, in fact, it is a monthly expiry. So, before going into the detail, like we will just look at the first pointer now. So, first pointer is price action. So, we'll look at the chart how Nifty is behaving all last previous weeks. So if you look at the Nifty chart, Nifty was in the falling trend. Actually, continuously Nifty was falling. This is the major trend, and one more minor trend was there. So if you consider the major and minor trend, so now last week analysis, we have told that there is a chance like for going to 24, 25 100 to 25 200 level. So market also gone very close up to 150 level. It has gone, and then we were telling last 2 days that there is a chance of very quick fall. So now Friday, the quick fall also has come. So now what next we will see in this scenario. So the falling trend was broken. Now market is once again started falling. So if you see, this is the neckline where we falling was there, and then we have broken. So I am drawing near the neckline as a support, and one more is the falling trend line as a support. So now there was a huge gap up due to GST news. So that gap up was sustained, and then now we are going. So now the we were continuously saying the momentum is lagging for going up. So because of this momentum lagging, so now market is once again coming down. So it has to come down to the support level or the trend line retest, the post which market is expected to bounce back. Okay, so that is what we are seeing here, and I am seeing as of now this whatever fall is happening to be a good opportunity, and accumulate near somewhere 24 650 levels to 750 levels, maybe the possible region market may hit on the Monday trading session. Let's see. So let us look at the second pointer. So if you look at the second pointer, it is India VIX. India VIX is hovering between somewhere around 10 to 12 or 13. So this is it is indicating that there is no major downside. That is what I will say as of now. So, but nothing much in India VIX is considered. So coming to the overall market direction, if you look at the overall market direction, we have told falling trend is now broken, and then we are in uptrend, and then the uptrend retest to the falling trend line may be very much possible in this week. Okay, and considering it as a monthly expiry, there is a high chance we may bound means may volatile, and then range may be more also. That is the point I want to highlight here. And coming to the next pointer, that is OA. So generally like we see OA is one of the important parameter. So last week if you see 25,000 OA was the highest, but still market was trying to break, but it could not, because the momentum was lagging, and then market did not break 25,000. Means break means it is 25,080 somewhere it has got closed, but since even then there was no short covering we could see by FII as well as the this 25,000 OA writers. So like if you see now 25,000 call writers are looking like once again more. So that is what we could see here. So considering that now we have to close above 25,000 levels, then there is a short covering. So the 25,000 C cannot be continuously as a same strike. So this time if that get covered easily, another 200 to 300 point is very much possible. Okay, so before that what all can happen also we will discuss at the last. So now 25,000 above, and downside now nothing much OA is there. OA is mainly there at 25,000 only. And considering next is straddle premium. One more observation in the straddle premium. If you see morning around 8:15 or 8:15, we were there around straddle premium of 225 rupees, but end was more. So which means the whole day straddle seller did not make profit, which means straddle sellers actually straddle, the people are not selling the straddle, in fact they are buying. That is what it is indicating, which means straddles are bought, which means what it is indicating, the market is going to move beyond the straddle premium. That is what it is showing once again. So high chance we may move uh, with bigger delta. That is what, and then naturally we used to tell whenever there is a 4 week market, always used to have a bigger delta movement. So this our straddle premium also indicating that. So coming to the next one, that is institutional future data. So if you see the institutional future data, the DI as well as FA both have gone bearish on Friday. So but now our market is indicating what you call a gap up of around 100 plus points due to US market. So now, like we will come back. This all points I will cover once again in the chart at the last. Okay. So like if you look at the next pointer, that is global market. So if you look at the global market, what is happening is the 45,000 was the resistance, and then like last Friday it is broken, and then market has gone up. So basically, Nasdaq as well as Dow Jones have made a new high and then hit a all-time high. So in this scenario, our market also supposed to be in positive in coming days. So like that's all from global market side. So we'll come to the conclusion and trading ideas. So if you come to the conclusion, there are three points I want to highlight here. First thing, we are in downtrend. So all of a sudden, any gap up cannot be sustained in this scenario. Even if there is a gap up, there is a chance we may fall very quick to this support zone or the this neckline zone. Neckline means basically trending. The trend downward trend is broken, so that retest line. So it can retest to these levels. Once it retests this level quickly, there is a chance FAI can cover their short. If that happens, then tomorrow itself there will be a quick dip, maybe Monday or Tuesday, quick dip to this zone and then bounce back to 25,000 level. So this 25,000 level, this may be the high chance we are expecting, one quick dip and then bounce to 25,000. And if market did this 25,000 bounce, if it is doing, then there is a high chance short covering may trigger off once again, because the highest OA is observed in 25,000 CE. In that kind of scenario, another 200 to 300 point market can move higher and close it. So that is what we are seeing in the today's market. So like considering straddle premium showing higher premium, which also indicate more delta movement, and coming to the second one, that is the shorts are in higher side, and DAFA are in bearish side. So even the gap up continues to gap up may not withstand, come to the support zone, then there will be a short covering quick recovery back to the higher levels. So that is what we are seeing, and all the data are actually supporting each other for this kind of move. One quick fall, take full fuel and then shoot up. So that chances are very high, because we are telling this point from last 2 3 days, and that is what now bigger delta is also seen on the Friday. So this delta fall should continue on Monday morning, come to the support zone, post which there will be a short covering. So that is what we are seeing now. That's all for the uh, analysis is concerned for this weekly expiry. And before concluding, I want to tell few message. See, this is only the educational video to make you understand how we are analyzing the Nifty. And then I suggest everyone to do your own analysis as well as your own study, and then plan your trade considering the proper risk management. And once you do, the chances for winning is very high for everyone. So that's all for today's video. So thank you very much for watching the video. and uh, have a good day and happy trading. Thank you, one and all.